In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Peace be upon you. In the land of Egypt, there was a settlement where the name of an old Jewish man was spoken in the streets with great respect and strange fear. He was neither a king nor a judge, yet people believed he possessed an extraordinary ability. It was said that merely by holding a girl's pulse, he could tell whether she was still a virgin or whether her chastity had been lost. The settlement was entirely populated by Jews. A few Muslim tents had once existed there, but they too had migrated after some time. According to the customs of that community, it was considered essential that before marriage, a girl be taken to this old man. If he declared her pure, the marriage would proceed. If he labeled her immoral, the marriage was stopped and the girl was sold as a slave. The people trusted him blindly because many times his words appeared to come true. However, no one knew the real truth behind his judgments. As time passed, the fame of this old man spread throughout Egypt. Wherever a marriage was arranged, the first demand was that the bride be taken to this Jew. He would hold her pulse and announce her fate in his own words. If he declared her a virgin, celebrations followed. If he called her immoral, she was pushed into the slave market. One day, Sultan Salahuddin, may Allah have mercy on him, was seated in his magnificent court. That day the court was open to the public, and people were presenting their grievances. Individuals from different regions were bringing their complaints and cases when suddenly a very weak and frail old man appeared before the Sultan. He leaned on a staff, and his body trembled due to old age. From his face and clothing, it was clear that he was Jewish. The Sultan looked at him carefully and said gently, "If my eyes do not deceive me, you are not a Muslim but a follower of the Jewish faith, a follower of Prophet Moses." The old man bowed his head and,